to see a new lip kit from MyGlam in the collaboration with Popexo? If yes, keep on watching. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Meghna Manjrekar Hauls and Reviews. Now from the thumbnail, from the title, you all must have got a little bit of idea that today I am going to show you the lip kit trio, that is the 3 lipstick trio from MyGlam with Popexo Beauties. Now if you are not aware what is MyGlam of course you all are aware, but if you are not aware, MyGlam has recently launched a new collection on their website as well as on their app. Initially they used to have Pose HD, then they had Manish Malhotra collection, then they had K-Play collection. Now recently they have come up with Popexo collection, and in the under Popexo they have different eyeshadow quads, they have eyeshadow as well as the face essential kit, they have lipstick trios, they have nail trios, nail polish trios and all. So I have actually got my hands on the nail polish trio. In that basically nail polish trio they have three variants and everything. I will be telling you each and every detail today in this video. But before moving ahead, if you are new to my channel and if you like to see such kind of reviews, comparison as well as new launches, then yes, definitely you are at the right place. Please take out a moment, consider subscribing my channel, that is you can press the red subscribe button. Next to it there is a small bell icon, you can hit that bell icon as well for the notifications about my future uploads. And since this is absolutely free, you can ask your friends and family also to subscribe my channel. And if at all you feel that I'm fumbling today in the video or I'm making some mistake, then I'm extremely sorry. I'm fasting for Navratri, so that is why, and I'm extremely sorry for that. Now let's begin with the video. Now if we talk about the outer packaging, first we'll talk about the outer packaging. It comes in this kind of cardboard packaging. You all can see it is a pink cardboard packaging. They say makeup collection, Popexo makeup collection, Power Trip mini lip kit, exclusively by MyGlam. That is what is given over here. And when you turn the back side, they have given you each and every detail. The variant name is printed over here on the top. Okay, in this they have 3 variants. I'll be just telling you the variants name. I have my notes over here, so I'll be just checking that. One is Pretty Mess, Power Trip and No Drama. The variant which I'm going to review, I'm going to show you and swatch is the Power Trip lip trio. It's written over here, right? And all the other details are given, that is the manufacturing. It is made in India, proudly made in India product. Yes, it contains a 3 lipstick. Each lipstick is 2.5 grams. So altogether you are going to get 7.5 grams approximately. Okay, manufacturing is 8, that is 821, and expiry is 724. So total 3 years of shelf life. Now the cost of this particular lipstick trio is 349 rupees. But right now if you are going to MyGlam's app, if you are checking MyGlam's app, they have this full Popexo collection on 20% discount. Okay, and on top of it, if at all you can use my referral code, you will be saving some more money. Then why not to save? You can try using my referral code, as well as this is automatically applied to your card, so you can save more money. So that is what I just wanted to tell you. Now in this there are total 3 lipsticks. The name of the lipsticks they have given, it's not the number, the name they have given. First is Level Up, Attention and Fighter. These are the 3 shades what you are going to get in this particular lip kit trio, right? This is mini lipsticks. Alright, now when we talk about directly inner packaging, the inner packaging comes in this kind of, like, this is like you have to slide the packaging. Okay, and over here you all can see these are the 3 lipsticks what you are going to get. Right, now the best part, I'll just remove all 3 lipsticks. Now the best part of it, these lipsticks are, they say Popexo creamy matte lipstick exclusively by MyGlam. That is what is written. This is white lipsticks, but on the bottom of the bullet they have given you the particular variant name. They have given you the batch code, manufacturing, of course, sorry, use before, not the manufacturing, of course, use before, and net weight. That is what they have given you over here. You all can see. So all 3 are having their individual names. All 3 have their names, proper names. So if at all you are confused which lipstick to apply and which to use, the names are given, so it is easily make out. You can make out. And if at all you want to throw this, you can, because use before is given. Now this is like first lipstick what I am having right now on my lip. I can tell you the shade name. The first lip shade is this. This is Fighter. I'll show you the lipstick bullet also. This is the quantity what you are going to get in each lipstick, right? And this is the lip shade. Let me confirm. Yeah, it is the same. So this is the first shade. Now I have applied a little while ago, maybe 10 minutes approx. Now we'll just check whether it is transferring or no. They have not claimed anything, but we will just check. They say creamy matte. So as far as my knowledge is there, it will transfer. I don't have anything on my hand, you all can see. I'll just check whether it is transferring or not. Yes, it is transferring. Right, so this is not transfer proof, and but the pigmentation is quite okay. Like, it's not totally gone, still the pigmentation of the lipstick is there. So this is the first shade. Now what I'll do is I'll just remove this, I'll apply the second one and I'll come back. Yes, now this is the second shade, Attention. Yes, and this is the third shade. The name of the shade is Level Up. Yes, y'all have already seen the swatches of all the 3 lipsticks which are included in this particular kit. And if at all you feel the makeup around my mouth is little bit okay, then please don't mind, because the reel of this particular lipsticks is already up on my Instagram. So if you are not following me over there, don't wait for anything, because I'll be putting first the reels over there and then I'll be coming over here, because over here it will be a detailed video and over there it is just the swatches. So if at all you want to see first the swatches, you can follow me on Instagram also. I'll give you my Instagram handle on the screen, so you can definitely follow me over there. Right, now if you will ask me my final thought, then I will suggest you, if you are getting it on discount, definitely you can go ahead and you can purchase it. These shades are like pretty normal, pretty common. You will get this kind of shades like in lot of collections, in lot of brands, in lot of variants, right? But 349 on top of it, 20% discount, and if at all my code works, then 3 lipstick, let's take it 300 rupees or maybe 250. One second, let me count it. 349, so that is 350, 35, 70 rupees. 350 less 70, so it comes to almost 280 something, 280 rupees. 280 rupees, 3 lipsticks, not at all a bad deal. So if at all you are getting, as I already told you, again I'm telling you, if at all you are getting on discount, definitely you can go ahead and grab. And if at all you think no, these are not common, then yes, these are common, you are not going to miss anything, then yes, I would like to say, because I think I maybe have lot of pretty similar shades in my collection. Like from the swatch I can make out I may be having, I'm not sure. So that is what my final thought is. But if at all you want to go ahead and purchase, you can go ahead. And if you're watching till here, that means you're liking my content. If yes, give it a huge thumbs up. Share this video with your friends and family. Please ask them also to subscribe my channel. And don't go without liking the video. As I always say, your one like encourages me to make more such kind of videos. So please don't go without liking. And if you have any other video suggestions or maybe video idea, you can drop down in the comment section, or else you can DM me on Instagram also. I'll try to fulfill your request as soon as possible, and I'll come up with the video or maybe whatever suggestions you have given me. I try to come up with all that. Yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.